So Fede, bathi humankind cannot gain anything without giving something in return. To obtain something, something of equivalent value must be lost. And that is the first law of equivalent exchange. So mesikhuluma nge-alchemy. Abantu bacabanga ukuthi alchemy is about changing lead into gold. But alchemy is about transformation, the becoming. So first thing mesikhulume ngebalance. Yabo ukuthi ayikho into exista in its own nje. Yabo if there is yin, there is yang. Yabo if khona usathane ukhona uNkulunkulu. If khona into wrong, ikhona into right. If khona into ebandayo, ikhona into eshisayo. If khona into ephansi, khona into ephezulu. Yangithola like ayikho into exista without its counterpart. Yonke into in this universe exists within a balance. Yangithola even our ancestors bebe understand that idea ukuthi bona bebangayibizi nge-alchemy. Yabo like sometimes amadlozi ethu or abogogo bethu nabomkhulu bethu banokusikhuza ukuthi don't take things from ama-stranger, especially if you didn't do anything for lo muntu loyo. Yabo if kuzofika umuntu athi nayi 10 rand, it is advised ukuthi akumelanga uyithathe into leyo from lo muntu loyo. Yabo because angafika athi nayi 10 rand, then wena uyajabula, you take that thing without giving something, but you actually give something because lo muntu lo ukunikeza i-10 rand but yena akathathi i-10 rand uthatha your good luck. That's why let's believe ukuthi labantu laba makathatha something from you uzothatha inhlanhla yakho. Yabo the law of equivalent exchange. Mofuna ukuthola something kumele uphisane nga-something. Yabo you have to sacrifice something. Even if ufuna ukuba umuntu who's wise or umuntu who's knowledgeable, you have to transform ignorance to knowledge. Yabo and to transform ignorance to knowledge, you have to sacrifice isikhathi sakho yenzeni ufunde. Yabo even if ufuna umuntu masithi uye college or university ufuna ukuba umuntu onolwazi, you don't if you pay like ukuthi uye high school, college or university, you don't become someone who has education, you become someone who is educated. Yabo you transform into that thing. Yabo alchemy is about the becoming, the transformation, so that becoming something else. Nakhona not just becoming like you have to sacrifice something of equivalent exchange. So what do you think about the alchemy? Do you believe with alchemy into ekhona vele ukuthi the world somehow finds a way to balance itself, or nje it's just fiction?